नमस्ते एवरीवन, वेलकम टू डे 1 ऑफ योगासन सीरीज। सो आज हम बिल्कुल सिंपल से स्टार्ट करेंगे। हम जॉइंट मूवमेंट आज करने वाले हैं। फ्रॉम द टिप ऑफ आवर टोज टिल द टिप ऑफ आवर हेड हम जॉइंट्स का मूवमेंट करेंगे। एनी स्टिफनेस इन योर बॉडी शुड गेट रिलीज बिफोर योर वर्कआउट। सो आपकी बॉडी में कोई भी हिस्से में, कोई भी पार्ट में अगर स्टिफनेस है, सो बाय डूइंग दीज जॉइंट मूवमेंट्स आप उसको रिलीज कर सकते हैं। फ्रॉम हियर इटसेल्फ आप अपने दोनों पैरों में डिस्टेंस रखेंगे, कम से कम हाफ अ फुट डिस्टेंस। नाउ मेक श्योर आप जब भी स्टैंड हो रहे हो ना, आपका जो बिग टो है दैट शुड बी फर्मली ग्रिप्ड ऑन योर मैट। बिग टो हो गया, आपके पैर का जो चारों कोना है वो दैट शुड बी फर्मली ग्रिप्ड। आप किसी भी एक हिस्से पे ज्यादा प्रेशर नहीं दे रहे हो। सो मेक श्योर कि आप फर्मली ग्रिप्ड हो अपने फीट से। नाउ वेरी स्लोली यू हैव टू मूव टुवर्ड्स योर पेल्विक। अब ये जो आपका पेल्विक रीजन है वो ना ही आर्च्ड होना चाहिए ना ही हंच्ड होना चाहिए। इट शुड बी स्लाइटली टक्ड इन। हमने अपने पेल्विक को टक्ड इन कर लिया। हमारा नी कैप जो है, हमारा जो नी कैप है दैट शुड बी पुल्ड अप सो दैट हमारा जो थाइज है वो स्ट्रेंथन हो जाए। पेल्विक स्लाइटली टक्ड इन। चेस्ट के रीजन को अगर देखेंगे हम, सो योर चेस्ट शुड रिमेन ओपन। आपका चेस्ट जो है शोल्डर रोल बैक होगा, चेस्ट ओपन होगा। दिस इज द राइट वे ऑफ स्टैंडिंग। नाउ वेरी स्लोली we are going to stretch our both hands, palm facing towards the front wall. Keep your neck slightly tucked in, your vision straight towards the wall, your fingers wide open, and once you're comfortable over here, you have to keep your eyes closed. Just be here in the moment. Focus on your normal breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One last deep breath. Breathe in and breathe out. Gently join your palms together in Namaste Mudra. दोनों हाथ को रब करेंगे and place your palm on your eyes. Feel the warmth, feel the darkness. Gently release your hand. With a good smile, we are going to start our joint movement. You can again bring your feet to the normal position. Make sure this joint movement which we are doing right now, अगर आप standing नहीं कर पा रहे हो, you can use a chair. You can do it on a chair. You can do it while sitting on Dandasana. So इसको हम 3 तरीके से practice कर सकते हैं: while standing, while sitting on chair, and while sitting in Dandasana. तीनों में वो same work करेगा. Now let's start. So you have to stand straight, a slight distance between your feet. Place your palm on your waist. Very slowly, as I said, we are going to start from the tip of our toes. So you have to stretch your right leg. You have to squeeze your toes 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Now switch the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Relax completely. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Relax your body. Let's move towards ankle joint. So again you have to lift your right leg. Make flexion and extension in your ankle. 1, 2, we have to do it 10 times on both the sides. Make sure We are doing it on your own pace. We are not in rush. You have to balance and do it on your own pace. If you feel like going a little fast, you can go a little fast. If you feel like going slowly, you can do it as per your comfort. We are doing flexion and extension in our feet. Once you are done 10 times both the sides, you have to come back to the neutral position. Release your palm. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Relax. Again, we are doing the second variation of ankle movement. That is, stretch your feet straight and go for the rotational movement of your ankle. 1, 2. Again, we are going to repeat it 10 times. I'm not counting because I want you all to do it on your own pace. If you all want to go slowly, you can go slowly. Relax. Switch the side. Acha, what we are doing today is called in yoga, we call it सूक्ष्म व्यायाम. So सूक्ष्म व्यायाम का मतलब ही ये होता है कि आप जिस भी हिस्से का, जिस भी पोर्शन का वर्कआउट कर रहे हो, मूवमेंट कर रहे हो, आपका पूरा का पूरा फोकस उसी हिस्से पर होना चाहिए. You should not think any other thing. Any other thought should not run in your mind. Very slowly release your palm, chest open, stand straight, take a deep breath in and breathe out. We are done with toe movement. We are done with ankle. Now we are going to move towards our knee joint. So what you have to do towards your knee joint? Keep your pelvic slightly tucked in. It should not be arched. It should be slightly tucked in, chest open, so that your posture remains better, correct. And if we are doing any workout, it should impact the correct muscles. Let's go for flexion and extension of your knee joint. 1. Keep your toes active so that your whole leg remains active. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Same thing you have to repeat on your left side. Always observe your posture and try to correct it. जितना ज़्यादा हम अपने पोस्चर पर ध्यान देंगे, उतना हमारी बॉडी एक्टिव रहती है, हमारा माइंड एक्टिव होता है. Again on the left side, we are repeating it 10 times on your own pace. No rush, no hurry. We are doing it on our own pace. Once you are done, come back on your mat. Stand straight. Relax for a while. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Slowly release. Now for relaxing our whole body, we are going to simply walk on our mat from the top till the end. So slowly keeping your posture intact, we are going to walk on your mat and observe your posture. No other thoughts in your mind, no past memories, no future thoughts. Just be in present, be in the moment without any thoughts. Walk on your mat, observe your posture. Once you are done 5 rounds, you are going to come back into the center of your mat. Let's move towards our hip joint. Again, correct your posture, stand straight, bring a gentle smile on your face. We are going to move towards hip abduction. So stand straight, shift your weight towards your left, lift your right leg and go for the side kick. We are going to do it 5 times, 5 rounds. and relax. Very important thing which I have told you earlier, very important जो मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया, that you should focus on your big toe. So आप जब भी कोई movement कर रहे हो और you are shifting your weight on any one side, you should focus on your big toe. Exhale, relax. Again, take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Slowly relax. We have activated our leg. Now we are ready for jogging. So अगर आप jogging भी कर रहे हो या कोई भी workout कर रहे हो, treadmill कर रहे हो, you can start with your joint workout first. Again, your hands on your waist. We are going to do the same movement in front. Make sure आप जब front का movement कर रहे हो ना, so your leg should not go behind. It should come back to the neutral and lift it up on the mat. So let's start with 5 rounds on both the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same thing we are going to do backward. So if you want, you can take support of the wall. Keep your body straight and simply you have to do back kick. Both the sides. Relax. So congratulations, we are done with our whole lower body workout. Now let's move our focus towards our spine. So spine अगर हम twist करते हैं, so your abdominal muscles itself gets stretched. Twist होता है, stretched होता है, आप उसको बोलते हैं stimulate होता है, massage हो जाता है. So very simple, interlace your finger, chest open, go for the side twist. अच्छा, आप जब side twist कर रहे हो, आपका जो vision है, वो भी जाएगा. You're not moving a lot. No jerky movement in your lower back. Check your feet position. Ten times. And relax. Now you have to stretch your hands straight. Your right hand will go down and try to bend towards your knee. Again, here also we are stretching our spine. We are increasing flexibility in our spine. Relax. We are done with spine. Now let's move towards our hands. So hand में हमारी जो joints हैं वो हमारा wrist joint है, our elbow joint and our shoulder joint. ये तीनों joint पे हम mainly focus करेंगे. Of course, we are going to start it with finger, the way we did with toes. So stand straight, fingers wide open, and simply curl your elbow. Go for the movement in your fingers. Repeat it 10 times. Relax. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Now you have to stretch your both hands and go for the shoulder tapping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, I'm telling you, you can do it on your own pace. If you want to go slowly, you can go slowly. Repeat it 10 times, sideways as well, without taking break. We are working on our elbow joint. So no movement in your shoulder or in any other part of your body. And slowly relax. Again, we are going to walk on our mat 5 times. So let's start with the top. While walking on your mat, try to exhale more. Your exhalation should be active and your inhalation should be passive. So try to exhale more than your inhalation. Once you're done, 5 rounds, you're going to come back on your mat to the neutral position. Let's move towards our shoulder joint. So you have to again tap your fingers, tap your fingertip and go for the flexion and extension of your shoulder joint. Once you're done 5 to 6 times without taking break, we are going to go for side to side. Exhale and relax. Let your body sweat. Now it's the time to move towards our large joint movement, that is our neck. So again, correct your posture. Your vision should be straight. Do not close your eyes. लंबी गहरी सांस लेते हुए, you're going to look slightly up. I'm not asking you to look completely up towards the ceiling. Just look slightly up, and then when you're going down, try to touch your chin into your notch. Repeat this slow movement 10 times. नेक मूवमेंट आप जितना स्लो रखो उतना बेटर है. जितना आप स्लो नेक मूवमेंट रखो उतना बेटर है, बिकॉज हमारा जो नेक रीजन है दैट इज वेरी डेलिकेट. सो नो जर्की मूवमेंट इन आवर सर्वाइकल. You can regulate your breath. While going up, you can inhale, and while going down, you can exhale. Once you're done, 10 times, look straight. We're going to go for side to side. People suffering from cervical stiffness, in my suggestion, we should never go for rotational movement of your neck. I have seen many trainers telling their clients to do neck movements in a circular motion while being in cervical stiffness. तो avoid करिए. अगर आपको cervical stiffness है, neck stiff है, so don't directly go for neck movement. One more thing, I'm going to take series of posture correction जिसमें anyone suffering from cervical stiffness, I'll make video on it, how to get release of your stiffness. Relax. Very slowly, increase distance between your feet. Chest open, pelvic slightly tucked in. Keep your eyes closed. Be in the movement with your breath. Join your palms together, bring your feet together, bow down your head, gently rub your palm, keep it warm, and place it all over your face and relax. Thank you so much for joining and watching my videos. आगे आने वाली सीरीज में मैं बिगनर, as I told you, मैं बिगनर to advanced जाने वाली हूँ. So we are going to focus on balance and stability in my next video. Today we worked on joint movement, जो कि हर एक इंसान कर सकता है. Even if you are going for gym, even if you are going for jogging, या आप कोई भी वर्कआउट स्टार्ट करने के पहले, it is very important to release stiffness from your spine. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.